Description: a deep hydrating conditioner that tames frizz and restores natural-looking shine. Infused with moisturizing and color-preserving agave plant sugars, this lightweight formula gently detangles, leaving locks soft and beautiful. Benefits: smooths frizz, tames volume, controls curls, and polishes dry, dull-looking hair. Natural plant-based ingredients. Suggested use: apply to clean hair, massage, leave on 5 minutes, rinse and repeat as necessary. Moisturizing deep conditioner. Nourishes and intensely hydrates hair while preserving color, detangling, and creating incredible shine. Nature's miracle ingredient. Derived from Mexico's Weber blue agave plant, agave's amino sugars lock moisture inside the hair, restoring and maintaining moisture balance. Healthy hair that shines. Amino sugars form complex bonds with internal proteins to add strength, resiliency and elasticity to hair. Top reviews from the United States. Makes hair healthy and smooth. I have super thick, frizzy, damaged hair. I have tried many products and this is the only brand where the products actually make my hair look healthy and smooth. Also, using agave healing oil products was the first time I ever saw my hair actually grow healthy.